This bee's gonna go down in here and check out these log skidders. Come on, girl. Let's go. I swear somebody did something up in here. But it don't look like this equipment's been moved. It don't look like it. But that don't mean nothing. Hell, they can park the stuff in the same spot. What do you think, girl? Yeah, they did come through there. They busted that tree that was blocking it. Ooh. Here's your infamous bridge, girl, that you didn't much like. Ain't it? That thing is huge, ain't it, girl? Come here. We're just gonna walk down here just a little ways so we can... Okay, ooh. Oh! Hold up, sweetheart. We're not going down there, okay? It's too muddy on the other side of that bridge. Yep. Can you turn this way? Caterpillar. Thing right there. It cuts the trees down. Yeah, that was all, girl. It's alright. Yeah, they blazing through all of it, ain't they? Easy, baby. Watch it on these rocks now, okay? Girl. Hey, girl. Alright.